drink with our gloves on.
Thank you very much.
Yes. Look at that picture I got.
Wait, we're dropping glass.
It's okay, it's not broken.
That sounds good. Before she did,
Oh, you boogie.
I don't like it. I don't like it. I'm scared of
thank
it.
you very much.
Boogie me.
I don't think I can wear these now.
Last year I gave Jeff Walker.
Oh, I want a picture of him opening that. Will you get my camera?
Yes. I had to save these.
Familiar.
These were special.
I gave him.
Your camera or this one?
Yeah, get that one.
$20 for olive garden.
Do you know how to use it?
Okay.
He said, sure, and I was really bad at it.
No.
And I called ahead and
Can I
got
show
a
you?
print out. He said I sit at the kitchen table in my underwear and I
Push
saw
that
it.
button there. Just look through there.
Alright.
And push that button.
Alright.
Ow! Ow! You know I'm gonna take it away. Ow!
Stop it!
What do I got? I can
Get
hit
away
with?
from him.
Now you've been hit by the Troopers Foundation. I want one of those foam things from Big Lots to hit him on the head with. I told you what that is.
Is this the top?
Yeah, stick it up your butt.
See something for you. You're on YouTube right now.
Call it a dreidel. I'm gonna open that side. Look at the back of it. It's proof positive.
I love that.
Look at the back. I don't
Oh
have a
my
picture.
God!
Great.
I searched my entire
Let me
computer.
see.
I do not have a picture of you and me and Dad and Jessica at all.
Oh,
So we should fix that.
Yeah,
today.
we should.
Yes. Ain't that great?
That is so
I
cute.
found that when we got the tree. I said, that's
Hey,
Dad.